Everyone's always asking to see finished guitars. This is the Relic'd Tele put back together. Put new strings on. I even aged the tuners. I put the tuners on, it didn't look right, so I pulled the tuners back off and totally disassembled them. These sealed tuners are a little bit of a pain. What I did is I took a screw, I super glued the screw on to the back of the tuner, let it dry overnight, came back the next day, popped right off. I was then able to unscrew the gear, pull the whole tuner apart, and then I put it back together, added a little bit of grease, screwed it all up, popped the screw off, scraped off the extra super glue, and then squeezed on the back plate, and I aged the tuners. They look pretty good. The non-aged tuners and the aged guitar just didn't look right, so that was just a quick thing I was playing around with. I left the top part in the mirror Telecaster too long, and it aged it a little bit too much, but that's alright. I think this guitar has a really nice vibe. I got some haters saying that this wasn't going to look right, and guitars don't age like that, and it's poly, it's not going to look perfect, but the yellow and white just looks so bland and terrible that I hated it. And aging with muriatic acid and putting a little bit of dings and pulling some of the paint off, I think gives it just a cool, warmer vibe. I aged it for tone. No, I'm kidding. But sure, this will really sound much better. You should buy it. I like it. I'm pretty happy with it. I may have taken it a little bit too far in a couple spots, but hey, that's what you do when you're playing around and you're going at it. Guitar sounds fabulous. I love not having to recut the nut. I paid $800. I'm going to sell it for $800. If one of you guys is looking for a American Standard Tele that has been tone wood aged, I'm going to keep saying that now. This is all set. I got a gig bag. I'll ship it out to you. Essentially my cost with nothing for my awesome work at aging it. But really like the look. I love the shoe polish that it darkened it up a little bit. I think over time we'll get some of these more to sort of naturally flake off and it'll look good. In terms of sound, it's typical Tele. Let's find a pick and show you how not to play a Tele. So this is the neck. Tone control is pretty nice. If I roll this all the way back, I get a pretty good woman tone out of this thing. This is the bridge. That's the tone rolled all the way back. This is all the way front. But 800 bucks, like I said, I think it turned out pretty nice. Maybe didn't have to age it as much, but everyone's always asking for a finished guitar. So if you want an American Standard Tele, aged by me. It's on my website, so give it a purchase. Thanks for watching, guys. And for this awesome aged wood tone, check out my website. See ya.